Here's what happens when you use castor oil before bed. Have you heard of castor oil? It's well known in many cultures for its amazing health benefits. You can use it on your face, hair, and skin, and some people even recommend applying it before bedtime. Castor oil is a versatile vegetable oil that's been used for thousands of years. Its origin can be tracked to India, where it's used in many Ayurvedic medicine for healing skin, soothing digestion, and fighting bacteria. The oil is extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, also known as Ricinus communis. Castor oil has many uses in medicine, industry, and pharmaceuticals. It's commonly found in products like biodiesel fuel, industrial lubricants, skincare items, and medicines. But do the benefits everyone talk about are actually true? In this video, we'll look at the benefits of using castor oil before bed. Make sure to watch until the end because you'll be surprised by some of the benefits of castor oil. All right, let's start. Number 1, helps with dry skin. Do you struggle with dry skin? No matter how many creams and lotions you use, your skin still feels dry after a few hours. It's the worst sensation, especially when you feel like everyone is staring at you when you're out in public. In this situation, castor oil can be the best solution for you. It has natural moisturizing properties. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that helps keep your skin hydrated by preventing water loss from the outer layer. This is why you'll often find castor oil in many moisturizing products. But you don't need to buy expensive items from the store. Just apply castor oil directly to your skin. This way, you not only avoid potentially harmful ingredients that might irritate your skin, but also save money since castor oil is much cheaper. You can use it on your face and body to keep your skin hydrated. Castor oil is often mixed with other oils like coconut and almond oil. Since castor oil is thick, mixing it with other oils can create an ultra-hydrating moisturizer. However, always do a patch test on a small area first before applying on face, preferably on the back of your hand, as some people may have allergic reaction to it. Number 2, helps treat insomnia. Do you often have trouble sleeping at night? Well, it appears that castor oil can help those who have trouble falling asleep. Insomnia is a very common problem, where people struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep if they finally do manage to get a little shut-eye. This affects their work and lives during the day by leaving them exhausted and sleepy. People often take medication because of this. However, doing so may lead to addiction and overuse. In addition, it can feel hopeless if the medication is ineffective. Castor oil can be a natural alternative. Try applying a small amount of castor oil to your eyelids before bed. But if you're not comfortable with that, you can also mix castor oil with essential oils like peppermint, lavender, or rose and apply it to your temples. This combination can help you relax and fall asleep more easily. Number 3, promotes healthy, shiny hair. What can castor oil do for your hair? It can help your hair grow faster, thicker, stronger, and shinier, much like coconut oil. Castor oil can also help untangle hair and treat hair felting, a condition where hair gets so tangled it forms a hard mass. By increasing blood flow to your hair follicles, castor oil can help your hair grow faster. That's why it's sometimes used on eyebrows and eyelashes too. If your hair is medium to thick and frizzy, try adding a few drops of castor oil to your conditioner once or twice a week. Before bed, apply castor oil to your hair, cover it with a shower cap, and gently comb it. In the morning, wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. You may need to shampoo twice to remove all the castor oil residue. Number 4, can improve immune function. Castor oil supports the lymphatic system, which is made up of tiny tubes that help remove excess fluids, proteins, and waste from our cells, boosting the immune system. It has been shown to improve lymphatic drainage, blood flow, and other immune functions. Traditional medicine has used castor oil to treat arthritis, back pain, constipation, and digestive issues. One study found that patients who used castor oil packs on their abdomens significantly increased their lymphocyte production compared to those who used placebo packs. Lymphocytes are the immune system's first defense against invaders like bacteria and toxins. Castor oil also helps cardiovascular health and digestive issues due to its effects on the lymphatic system. Number 5, a natural laxative. Having trouble with the restroom? It happens to all of us at some point in our life, so don't worry. Castor oil can help because of its mild laxative properties. If you're constipated and struggling with bowel movements, castor oil can assist. A lot of people agree with this, and even health experts approve the use of castor oil as a stimulant laxative. It works by boosting the muscles that push food through your intestines, helping with bowel movements. People use these laxatives to treat temporary constipation or clear their intestines before a medical procedure. When castor oil is taken orally, it is broken down in the small intestine by enzymes called lipases. These enzymes convert the castor oil into glycerol and ricinoleic acid. The ricinoleic acid is then absorbed by the small intestine, where it triggers a laxative effect. However, be careful with the dosage. Too much can cause nausea, diarrhea, and cramping. If you have long-term health issues, avoid using castor oil as a treatment. Instead, consider yogurt, kefir, pulses, and clear soups to help with bowel movements. They are rich in probiotic bacteria. These bacteria assist in the softening of stool and are good for overall gut health. Moreover, pulses are rich in nutrients like potassium, folate, zinc, and vitamin B6, all of which can help relieve constipation. Number 6, helps heal wounds. Castor oil can help heal wounds if used correctly. While it's not for severe injuries, it can be useful for minor wounds. When applied to a wound, it creates a moist environment that prevents sores from drying out. For example, Venelex, a popular wound dressing recommended by doctors, contains castor oil and Peru balsam. Castor oil is also used for burns, skin ulcers, and surgical wounds. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil reduces inflammation and relieves pain. Studies show castor oil is good for wound care. In a study, a spray containing Peru balsam, castor oil, and the enzyme trypsin successfully healed a surgical wound in an 81-year-old man who was unable to tolerate other treatments. However, remember that ointments with castor oil may have other ingredients, so check with your doctor before using them to ensure they're safe for your specific wound. Number 7, helps clean dentures. Do you remember how difficult it was for your grandparents to maintain the health and cleanliness of their dentures? Well, castor oil can help you with this too. It reduces the chance of fungi growing on dentures. Candida fungus is especially troublesome for denture wearers, as it can cause infections like denture stomatitis, leading to redness, inflammation, and discomfort. In one study, soaking dentures in a 10% castor oil solution for 20 minutes reduced fungus and germs. Another study found that brushing and soaking dentures in castor oil significantly reduced candida fungus infections. That's about all for today, guys. After watching this video, do you think you'll give castor oil a try? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you found the tips in this video helpful and now have a better understanding of the amazing benefits of castor oil. As always, consult your doctor for medical advice and treatment tailored to your individual needs. Don't forget to support our channel by subscribing and liking this video. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching until the end.